Hello guys, welcome back to Virtual Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Minecraft server Java version error and how you can fix it. So let's dive into it. So I'll be providing a link in the description where you can read same article on our website Virtual Tips, and also you can refer our website for many more topics like Android, games, iPhones and iPad, social media, Windows, etc. So let's dive into the solution. We have two solutions. The first one is all about you have to install the latest version of Java. So I'll be providing a link in the description where you can go over here and you can download the respective one. It depends on your PC. So you can download the respective one. So you just have to click over here and you have to install. Okay, you have to install the respective Java and you have to see. And moving on, the next is all about if you're having any older version of Java on your PC, then most probably the next is all about you have to uninstall it. That is also very important. So to do, just have to go over here on the settings. That is also very important. Go over here on the apps and you have to find if any Java is installed already. You have to uninstall the respective one and you have to see, and most probably these are the basic two steps which you have to try out when you're having Minecraft server Java version error. So this can only be fixed. Either we are having a old version, you have to delete it and you have to go for the latest version and you have to try to play, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.